Welcome to How to Target Facebook Ads Like a Pro, the ultimate guide to skyrocket your Facebook advertising success. If you've been struggling to get your ads in front of the right audience, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through proven strategies, insider tips, and expert techniques to help you achieve exceptional results. Say goodbye to wasted ad spend and hello to effective Facebook ad targeting. Let's dive in. Section 1. The power of effective ad targeting. The foundation of a successful Facebook ad campaign is effective targeting. Without it, you are essentially throwing your advertising budget into the wind. So, let's start by understanding the power of effective ad targeting. Section 2. Audience segmentation and customization. To truly excel in Facebook ad targeting, you need to master the art of audience segmentation and customization. We're about to unveil the secrets of how to tailor your ads to specific groups. Section 3. Leveraging Facebook's Audience Insights. One of the best tools in your arsenal is Facebook's Audience Insights. This goldmine of data allows you to understand your audience better than ever. We'll show you how to use it to your advantage. Section 4. Advanced Ad Placement Techniques. The placement of your ads matters more than you might think. In this section, we'll explore advanced ad placement techniques to ensure your ads appear where they'll have the most impact. Section 5. A/B Testing and Optimization. How do you know if your ads are working? A/B testing is the answer. We'll guide you through the process of testing and optimizing your ads for maximum results. Section 6. Retargeting and lookalike audiences. Retargeting and lookalike audiences can take your Facebook ad game to the next level. We'll show you how to use these strategies effectively. Section 7. Real-world examples and success stories. Learning from real success stories is a fantastic way to gain insights. We've gathered a few case studies that showcase how businesses achieved outstanding results through precise ad targeting. Section 8. Budget optimization and ROI tracking. Your advertising budget is valuable, and you need to make every dollar count. Discover the secrets of budget optimization and tracking your return on investment. Section 9. Ad policy and compliance. Before you hit that publish button, it's crucial to understand Facebook's ad policy and compliance rules. We'll ensure your ads stay on the right side of the platform's guidelines. Congratulations! You've now learned how to target Facebook ads like a pro. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to achieving remarkable results and growing your business. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable tips and insights. Connect us via social media. Contact us via. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.